Welcome to Always Alyssa. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make one of the easiest and yummiest snack recipes ever, yogurt bark. Today I'll be teaching you how to make two different kinds of yogurt bark, one using vanilla yogurt and one using chocolate yogurt. The chocolate yogurt is going to have things like peanut butter and banana slices, and the vanilla one is going to have stuff like blueberries and raspberries and honey. Here are all of the ingredients I'm going to be using in today's video. I've got a couple bananas here, some raspberries and blueberries. You can also use other fruits like strawberries, that would be good too. And over here I've got cocoa powder, honey, a little peanut butter, cinnamon, and vanilla Greek yogurt. Right here I have the whole milk version of the Greek yogurt, which is a bit more fatty, and it's gonna make for a little bit better yogurt bark. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is wash your hands, of course, and then wash your fruit. If you choose to use bananas, you're going to peel and slice them. Make sure that the slices you're cutting are pretty thin. I have a special guest joining me for the video. Can you say hi to everyone? Say hi! Okay, the next step is to slice our raspberries. Just set the blueberries aside because they're already small enough so we don't need to slice them. Do you want a sample? Yeah, blueberries. Here, one more sample. There. Okay, one more. That's it. Okay, time to slice the raspberries. Ooh, look how satisfying that looks. I'm probably just going to slice them in half, and that should be thin enough. And finished. Last one. Now we're going to set this pretty looking fruit tray to the side, and we're going to grab two big baking sheets and some parchment paper. One is going to be for the vanilla yogurt and one is going to be for the chocolate yogurt. If you want to, you can use smaller trays, but I'm just using the big ones because I have a big family. Next, line both of your baking sheets with the parchment paper. Ooh, you want to touch it? Can you say parchment paper? Paper, yeah. Yeah. Now let's do the next one. The first tray we're gonna do is the vanilla one. So grab your yogurt and grab a large spoon, and we're going to scoop it out and spread it along the parchment paper. If you need to, you can give it a little mix first. It looks yummy, huh? Would you like that big of a bite? Yeah, oh, more? Okay, we'll put more. Spread it out a little bit. You're welcome. The next step is to place some fruit on top of our yogurt. Yogurt. Yes, yogurt. Oh, whoa. That was the close one. Okay, here. You want a sample? Here. I'll give you a sample. She just wants to eat it all. I can eat your own yogurt bowl, okay? I have the solution. Yeah, look at this. You want some? You're welcome. Oops. There you go. You're welcome. First, I'm going to sprinkle across some blueberries. Ooh, this is definitely the most fun part. Make sure they're evenly spaced. Okay, now I'm going to go in and add some bananas. You can press those in just a bit when you place them. like that.
Yogurt.
Yeah, yogurt. More yogurt.
Yogurt.
You have some. Finish it.
Oh.
Oh, you already have some. You're so silly. Oh, Chloe. I'll give you more. I'll give you more, okay? I'll give you more. Ooh, yummy. There you go. You're welcome. She's so polite. Next, add in your raspberries. You want to try one? Here. Yummy. Raspberries are very good. Ooh, raspberries make it look so fancy. The tray does look pretty good, but I think I'm gonna add just a bit more fruit. Yeah, fruit. All right, that looks perfect. Now we're going to drizzle a bit of honey on the top. Ooh, this looks fancy. Oh, it looks so good. Cinnamon has a lot of health benefits, so I'm going to add it to 1/2 of our yogurt bark. Do you think that looks good, Chloe? She just wants to eat it. Now we're going to put our yogurt bark in the freezer for about 3 hours. Now we're going to move on to our second tray of yogurt bark. Good job! For this one, you're going to grab a mixing bowl and a spatula. You're going to put your vanilla yogurt in a bowl. Now we're going to add about a spoonful of cocoa powder, and maybe a little more depending on how it looks when it's mixed in. Now mix that in. It looks a little light, so we can add a bit more. Okay, that looks about good, and now we're gonna add a little bit of peanut butter. I'm just gonna use these 2 little packages I have right here, but I'm gonna start off with one. First little bit of peanut butter, maybe about a tablespoon. Now I'm gonna add the 2nd tablespoon of peanut butter. Oh, that was so cute. Picture more? Look, it is a picture. It's like a picture. Cheese. Ready? Okay, ready, set, cheese. That was so cute. How do you think the yogurt's looking? Is it yummy? Oh, you want to sample? Here. Sample. Tell me how it is. Is it yummy? Oh, she wants more. That must mean it's good. This looks perfect, so now I'm going to spread it onto the tray. This looks good, and the next step is to add our bananas. Now we're going to put it in the freezer for 3 hours.
3 hours later.
Okay, it's been about 3 hours, and I just took these out of the freezer, and they look pretty good. I'm excited to try them. Look at this one. So fancy. Okay, I'm gonna go for this one first, and we're gonna see if we can break it apart into the bark pieces. If not, well, I guess that's okay. I'll just eat it anyways because it will taste good. Doesn't seem super like hardened, but it'll still taste good. Ooh, does look yummy. That's good. Just gonna break off some pieces and put them on a plate. Ooh, satisfying. They do seem a little bit on the soft side, and I think that's because they could have gone overnight in the freezer. So what I'm gonna do is let these go back in the freezer so they can harden up some more after I break it up and put it on the plates. So then it'll be perfect for me to eat.
A few moments later.
I let the bark chill for a few more hours and they seem a bit better now, so I'm gonna try to break them into more pieces. Ooh, look at that. That looks so yummy. I think that this recipe turned out so delicious and it also looks really cute. I'm definitely going to be making this again. Make sure to comment and tell me how your yogurt bark turned out and which flavor you did. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!